I can barely believe it's May. I know, it's wild. But we know that a lot of changes will be coming with this new fiscal year. We're already seeing these changes happening now. Understanding the Microsoft go-to-market strategy is crucial. We've got to be aligning our business with Microsoft, staying at the cutting edge of our industry. I know if you're on this call today, you're not interested in selling outdated solutions, getting by with what's always worked for your business or your customers. If you're like TPM, you want to stay abreast of what's new, what's innovative, what's relevant. So let's all attend this great event coming up. We're going to talk more about it as the time comes up. Just make sure that you mark your calendars for it. Now, I'm ending today's top of mind focusing on Azure because it'll be a great segue into our discussion. So for Azure partners, we have some new incentives that were dropped on May 1st. They only last from May 1st to June 30th. And this is from the Cloud Accelerate Factory. This is formerly the Cloud Migration Factory. They have 3 new incentives for us: the infrastructure and database migration, Azure VMware solution migration, and virtual desktop. These incentives offer zero-cost assistance from Microsoft. There is no project size parameter for these, and it's available for partners with Azure designations and specializations. Really hot. If you're interested, take a look at that MCI guide. Talk to your PPE about how you can capture these incentives.